There is an event, a massive event, which could take our AI altcoins and send them to the stratosphere. On 20th of November, Wednesday, Nvidia is going to release their earnings. And if they're going to be positive, we could be seeing our AI coins to go up like crazy. And of course, today, in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you some price prediction for free altcoins in relation to AI, which could explode in the next few weeks. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we post one video about crypto trading and investing every single day. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today I want to talk about what's happening right now with the AI coins, how high we could be going to, and everything is in relation to Nvidia. So 20th of November, Nvidia is going to give us their earnings. If they're going to be positive, we're going to see potentially a nice explosion to the altcoins. But first of all, also people are asking me right now, is alt season, has it started? Right? Are we seeing alt season right now? Is it time for altcoins to explode? Let me show you in the chart straight away. You can see that from here, guys. Alt season in 2020 started around December 2020. Around December and January, we lost the Bitcoin dominance, which pretty much is the percentage of money which is placed into Bitcoin compared to altcoins. You can see from here that since the end of December, we started to go down like crazy. And right now, guys, we are still at 59.79%. And what it means that every possible penny is now being sent into BTC, nothing into the altcoins, and what we could be seeing could be a real explosion once we're going to be able to break this support over here. So we are super excited to see what's going to be happening from here. And also, guys, looking at the total to market cap, which is pretty much the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, we're still very, very low from here. We were able to break a multi-month consolidation. We should be going higher. I'm going to explain to you a little bit better what's happening over here. But of course, guys, to make money in these markets, of course, you can be a holder. But remember that in the altcoin season, as well as Bitcoin, when we are in a bull market, there is lots of swings, lots of volatility. That's why you have to be ready every day to understand when to buy, when to sell, and how to apply proper risk management. Because if you can, really, you can make money every single day in this market. Like, for example, guys, our VIP group, our Discord group, results talk for themselves. I post a Bitcoin analysis every single day with everything: order flow, liquidity, heat maps, advanced TA for you to follow, altcoin analysis, 5 or 6 altcoins every single day to show you what could be happening with this. And guys, we have also my calls. For example, yesterday we longed, you can see Rune USDT making crazy results. I mean, I can show you from here, everything is transparent, guys. In our community, we show you transparency, unlike everybody else. $1,827. Then what I did, I also went and bought, had a trade with Bitcoin, $1,520, and also with Bitcoin over here, $1,520. And look also at our calls from our member guys, Jeremy, Shellcat, all placing trading calls for our members. Results talk for themselves. I want to just show you a few things. 31 Daniel shorting 31% with Vince McMahon showing the money. Then we have Claudia as well here, 20% in a day. Then 58, 44, 284% with Ethan. Guys, I can just keep going. Look at with the trading results and show you. It's insane, like totally insane what our VIP members are actually making. So if you want like a proper community, right, of professional traders, you want to navigate this altcoin season properly, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. If you want to join, link in the description. But let's go back now into Bitcoin. Right now, what I can think, right, with this upcoming alt season, and then I'm going to give you the prediction of the free altcoins I was talking about in relation to AI. Looking at over here, my scenario is going to be the following. We might have a base case where we could have a total market cap around 1.7, 1.8 trillion. If Bitcoin is going to go and follow the fractal from October 2023, we could be seeing a pump like this, consolidation, and then another pump, which in general, this one equals to this one over here. So once we're going to go to this area over here, we're going to go potentially, up to, I'm going to put it here, up to this area over here, around 1.6 to 1.8 trillion dollars. That could be the end of the alt season. And of course, if that happens, altcoin should go and maybe 3x, 4x, 5x from the current levels. But if we're going to follow the same as 2020 and 21 from this point over here, you can actually clearly see that it's going to be quite obvious we could be reaching, with a bullish case, a market capitalization of $2.5 trillion, which actually makes absolutely sense because this one is the extension of Fibonacci at the 1.618. This guy's number is very important, and statistically, right, prices usually go around this area when we talk about an extension. So I believe that's what we could be seeing coming from here. I'm probably thinking that once the total two market cap, which is pretty much the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, is going to go around this area over here, there's going to be, in my opinion, a good point to start to take lots of profits off the table, because you never know in crypto, right? We could be going even up to 5 trillions, even 5.7 trillions, right? But at the same time, you have to think about risk to reward. If you are investing 200K, you're already up, let's say, 200%, why would you take a risk and just because you want to make another 8x 9x, where pretty much the opposite can happen? So I will be very careful with this. My strategy, right, I'm going to probably take lots of profits around this area over here, and then of course rebuy back in if the market is going to allow me to do so. But at the moment, guys, things are looking great. Now, let's talk about what's happening right now with this AI mania with price prediction, and we can see. So basically, as I said before, Nvidia is pretty much over here. The earnings had to become good, in the sense of we're gonna see lots of profits, which looks like they're about to come. And if that happens, we could be seeing a nice explosion to the upside. At the moment, I'm very positive with Nvidia for this fact over here. I can see that we probably form what we call a megaphone pattern, but even it's sort of like a bull flag. From here you can see that they have a pull up to here. We had a consolidation, and then what I could be expecting, if earnings are going to come as per expectation, I could be seeing a pump up to here, bringing this one up to here. Around here brings me a target of this, again, extension of Fibonacci 1.618. And this is going to be very promising, guys, because if it's going to go up to here at 174, then everything in relation to AI should be pumping like crazy. Like, for example, our first AI coin I'm going to show you today, which of course doesn't need any presentation, but has been around here. Fetch.ai, guys. Fetch.ai, or now I call it ASI, artificial intelligence, super intelligence, something like that, which had a merger. At the moment, guys, has been completely bashed. One of the reasons why I'm extremely bullish with this AI coin is the fact that it still hasn't moved, because lots of people are telling me, yeah, but it hasn't moved. It's not going to do anything. It's not going to survive, and blah, blah, blah. But guys, look at this. Once it's going to be able to break this area, which is about to, I think, hell will break loose. And I can see that, to give you some price prediction. Only because I don't like to be a moon boy and give you this false expectation, of 50x, 200x, 1000x. I like to give you more of the real data scenarios. So right now, what I can tell you straight away, looking at the chart from here, guys, of course, the RSI is still pointing down this way, and we should be able to break, up to this area to really confirm a bullish breakout. But at the same time, Fetch.ai is forming what we call two potential shapes. Number one is actually what we call an inverted head and shoulder. In general, an inverted head and shoulder is a typical shape which has a shoulder. I'm going to show you from here. You have one shoulder here, a head over here, and then you have a shoulder up to here. Also, some people will probably argue and say that this looks more of what we call a cup and handle. We have a cup over here, and then we have a handle over here. So in both cases, what I would say is that, in general, the way you can calculate this one, you have an inverted head and shoulder, let's call it like that, and then what you do, you draw a neckline, you bring the height of the neckline compared to the head, you bring it over here, brings you roughly a target around the 61.8% retracement of Fibonacci. So in general, what is statistically very advantageous right now is the fact that what we can utilize these Fibonacci rules to help us to understand how high a price could go to. And looking at here, right, if Fetch AI is going to have a retracement at least up to this area over here, the 2.4 level will make absolutely sense. And of course, guys, 135, 2.4, that could be like an 80% pump. And that's going to be my base case scenario. I would say, I can't guarantee you we're going to go higher. I can't guarantee you and say, don't worry, we are going to go to $20, $30. But again, if we're gonna go here and then have a drop down to here, I would be extremely disappointed. But again, guys, it's the game of trading. That's why you gotta be part of the VIP group, because we are going to analyze this one every single day, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going to be happening. Whether it's time to sell from here because there is something wrong, or is good to hold because it could be going higher. Now, that's going to be my first, I would say, level of interest is around 2.6, 2.7, which is like a 2x from here. But if you're going to be able to go and have a bullish case right now from here for Fetch AI, what I would say, again, I would be interested, right, in Fetch reaching a level of Fibonacci of the 1.618 extension as we were talking about before, which is sitting around $5.24. So I would say that if Bitcoin maintains this very bullish structure because of the government as well, that's U.S. government that is like really pro crypto. I could be seeing, if you're going to be able to continue and then past all time high, I could be seeing Fetch AI reaching this target over here by maybe February, March, which is sitting at $5.25. But of course, guys, if we can actually go and continue, okay, we're going to see a full blown season mania, market mania. Remember that we can extend up to the 4.236 Fibonacci as well. So we could even see a target up to $12. Again, am I going to go and hold from $5 until $12? No way. At $5, I'm probably going to sell 80% of my gains, because this is going to be an uncharted, very dangerous territory. And you can see right now, guys, artificial super intelligence. So Fetch has already a market cap of $3.5 billion. Okay, really understand that you could be seeing even up to 30 billion, 40 billion. That could be definitely possible. But at the same time, guys, if we're gonna go from 1.35 to $5, okay, it's gonna be like a 4x, $5.50, right? It's gonna be a 4x from here. I mean, we're gonna be already at 3.5 at $14 billion. So I would say definitely we can pump higher. If there is lots of hype, we can go even up to $12. That could be definitely on the cards, but I also urge you to be very, very careful once we're gonna go up to this area. So that's it for Fetch AI, but this coin looks very promising. Still hasn't pumped, so I think it's going to be a good opportunity. But of course, guys, don't go and buy it right now based on what I'm saying. Just have a look at the Nvidia earnings first and see what happens after that. And next one, guys, I want to show you today is Render. Render, very good coin. Really one of my favorite coins. Market cap 3.9 billions. Looks like is about to again to go and form another parabolic melt up. And I can see from here, Render has a pattern which I really like. It looks like a proper cup and handle pattern at the moment. And if you're going to be able to go and complete this cup and handle going from this area over here, we should be seeing again an extension of Fibonacci around 1.618 with a target of $20. So I would say, to me, Render minimum target, I will be thinking around $18 to $20. That's going to be my minimum target that I could think of. And if you're going to be able to go and, let's say, we're going to be, I don't want to say lucky, but we're going to see more pump incoming. I could even see Render pumping up to $47. Again, $20. I'm going to take lots of profits off the table because it's going to be dangerous. But at the same time, we could be pumping up to $47. And if you think about $7 to 47, guys, I mean, looks like a 7x from here. And again, I'm very conservative, guys. I'm very conservative. That's why I make money in the markets, because unlike so many moon boys who are, they try to make 100x every time, I'm very diligent, I'm very consistent, and that what makes the difference to make money. And of course, guys, if you want to learn my strategy, right, why have I been so successful in the markets and to be able to make more than 7 figures, right? You can come on my website, Freedom Trading Academy, and can show you how you can make more than 20% per month under 4 hours per week. Because remember, trading, once you know what to do, doesn't require lots of times in front of the screens, but you need to know what to do. So if you want to watch a free training I designed for you, I'm going to show you how you can make, how to find the coins which you can make 300%, 1000% in like, 1 week. Also, how to make millions in these markets. I'm going to show you all of this. It's a 15 minutes free training. Go on my website. You will not regret it. This is my bio here as well. Who am I and what I did. The best one I bought Solana at $17. Look at the price now. But anyway, let's go back into render. Looks amazing. And the last one I want to show you guys, which is also very very good, is gonna be Tau. Tau Bittensor as well. Very good coin. $3.7 billion market cap. That looks like amazing, an amazing coin as well. I'm going to show you from a technical point of view what to expect, guys. Tau looks like that is forming what we call an inverted head and shoulder. So again, we have a shoulder, we have a head, we have a shoulder. Again, some people will argue that it looks more like cup and handle. Doesn't matter, cup and handle, head and shoulder, because again, the target could be bringing us very different from Tau. I would say that Tau has a potential to go to the 4.236 extension, which brings you roughly around here at $1,600, which is going to be a 3x from here. So 3x for Tau, even a 4x could definitely be on the cards. And some people are asking me, is it going to go higher than 4x? Are we going to see 5,000, 8,000, 10,000? Well, what I will tell you is always have a look at the market capitalization. So if Bitcoin is going to go to 140K, 150K, then I could be seeing easily Tau to go and maybe go up to 2,000, 2,500. But looking at the data, be very careful when it comes to this altcoins mania, because once you're going to be already be at 1,600 or even 2,000, there's going to be a very warning sign. But you need to understand. That's why I'm saying, with our VIP group, guys, because you need to understand from a technical point of view where you are and what is going to be the danger zone when you have to offload all of your coins. So that's going to be super important. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. I really hope this was helpful to make you understand what to do right now. But of course, today I only covered the one of the best top three coins. But if you actually have a look and you go on to AI, there's so many other altcoins which are pretty much posed to go way way higher. So many other coins, like very small coins. And of course, guys, in the VIP group, we are discussing all of them. You can see over here, all written over here, everything written over here with price prediction, portfolio management, everything you can think of. That's why we are here to make a difference. And all of this, into AI. Some other altcoins we are reporting over here, especially in relation to artificial intelligence, might pump even 20 to 30x. So guys, jump on board, because really you're going to be able to make lots of money. But otherwise, I really hope you're going to have a very good day. Let's see how the earnings are going to come and how is going to be the response. And then we should be able to pump from here. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. And I'm going to see you tomorrow for another update. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.